Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to search for bookmarks on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on Bookmarks and Lists. Select Bookmark Manager from the menu. As you can see, we have plenty of bookmarks organized in the form of folders. To find specific bookmarks, we can make use of the search box at the top. Here, enter the name of the bookmark. As you start typing, related bookmarks will be displayed on your screen. Double-click on the bookmark to open it. Similarly, you can search for other bookmarks. This is how you can search for bookmarks on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.